In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify plan, whether you're looking to cancel, pause, downgrade, or upgrade. The process is fairly straightforward, but it's always helpful to have a guided walkthrough to ensure you're doing it correctly and efficiently. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the section labeled My Store, which you'll find on your homepage. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your Shopify store. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After you have navigated to your store's homepage, the next step is to access your billing settings. This involves clicking on the Settings tab, which you can find at the bottom left corner of your admin panel. After clicking, you'll see an option labeled Billing. Select this option to move forward. Accessing this menu is crucial as this is where all your financial details and plan information are accessible. If you're prompted for any additional security verifications, make sure you have that information on hand. Once you've clicked on Billing, you'll be directed to a page containing various details about your current Shopify plan and billing cycles. Here you will want to locate and click on an option titled Visit Plan Settings. This is typically seen towards the bottom section of your billing page and is your gateway to making any required changes to your plan. Now that you're in the plan settings, you'll be able to see your current plan and any other available plans. If you've decided that you need to cancel your existing subscription, whether for financial reasons or simply because you're taking a break, you'll find an option marked Cancel Plan. Click on this option if you intend to proceed with a cancellation. Keep in mind that after canceling, you'll still have access to your Shopify store until the end of your current billing cycle, unless specified otherwise by Shopify's terms. On the other hand, if you're interested in making a different type of change, like pausing, downgrading, or upgrading your plan, look for a button labeled Change Plan. Clicking here will present you with various plan options that Shopify offers. Whether you're seeking additional features with an upgrade or need a more budget-friendly option, you'll find several plans tailored to suit different needs and business sizes. Once you've reviewed the plans and decided on the best option for your needs, you can select and confirm your choice. I hope this guide helps make the process easier for you. Managing your Shopify plan efficiently is an essential step in ensuring your online store operates smoothly and aligns with your business goals. Thank you for watching, and take care.